Good morning, everyone. I'm Vanishri from 6M BCA. I'm going to present about fog computing. Fog computing is a term coined by Cisco. Fog computing is refers to it is extending of cloud computing to the edge of an enterprise network. It is also known as an edge computing or fogging. It facilitates in various operations such as storage, networking services between the devices and computer data centers. The fog computing architecture. Fog computer architecture, first it starts with a cloud node, later it is divided into the fog node, and fog nodes are divided into two: fog node 1 and fog node 2. Later end devices. The devices the comprising of fog infrastructures are known as fog nodes. In fog computing, all the storage capabilities, data along with applications are placed in between the cloud and the physical host. In fog computing, the processing is faster as it done almost at the place where data is created, and also it improves the efficiency of the system and also used to ensure the increased security. History of fog computing. The term fog computing was coined by Cisco in January 2014. It is fog referred to as in clouds because they are close to the ground. In the same way, fog computing was related to the nodes because they present near the nodes host and the cloud. Its intended is to bring the computational capabilities of the systems close to the host machine. After this gained some popularity, IBM in 2015 it was kind of similar. The fog computing was also known as an edge computing. When to use fog computing? Fog computing can be used only by selected data is required to send the cloud. The selected data is chosen when the long term shortage itself and less frequently accessed by the host. It is used whenever large number of services to be provided under different geographical locations. It is also used when we need to analyze the data within a fraction of seconds. We can use the fog computing. That is latency should be low. The some of the real world examples for fog computing which are used, that is IoT, Internet of Things devices such as card to card consortium, Europe, devices with sensor cameras, etc. Advantages of fog computing. It reduces the amount of data that needs to be sent to the cloud. Next one, it reduces the response time of the system, and it improves in the overall security of the system. Next, it provides a privacy as industry can perform analysis on the data locally. Since it also reduces the distance traveled by the data is also reduces and saves the network bandwidth. Disadvantages of fog computing. The heavy data flow happen between the host and the fog node due to increased traffic, and also increases the power consumption when the another layer is placed between the host and the cloud. Scheduling the task between host and fog nodes along with the fog nodes and cloud is difficult in fog computing. This is also one of the advantage. Next, data management becomes very tedious and as along with the data stored and computed. Applications of fog computing. It can be used in emergency situations and also use it to analyze the patient conditions, and it is used in a real-time rail monitoring to monitor the speed of the trains, and also used in the gas and oil pipelines. Thank you.